Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. So in previous lecture we have done trigonometric functions for allied angles. Okay, so today we will do some problem based on that and we will solve exercise 3.2. Okay, so I have done problems on page number 40 in last lecture. Now I am doing page number 41, problem number 3. Okay, this is also the solved one. Page 41, problem number 3. So the question is, prove the following. There are total 3 sub questions are there. Okay, so out of 3 I'll solve only one on the board and the rest 2 are for your homework because they are solved. Okay, so just try to solve it from there are 4 sub questions are there, and then we will start to solve exercise 3.2. Okay, so the question is sin pi upon 15 plus sin 4 pi upon 15 minus sin 14 pi upon 15 minus sin 11 pi upon 15 is equals to 0. Okay, so we have to show this plus this minus this is equals to 0. Now since we are doing allied angle, so we can split this angle into subtraction of any two angles or addition of two angles. Okay, so that we can use the formulas for allied angles. So we will start with LHS. Sin pi upon 15 plus sin 4 pi upon 15 minus sin 14 pi upon 15 minus sin 11 pi upon 15. Okay, now here you can see one term is in plus and one is in minus. Okay, so to cancel out the terms we should convert this 14 upon 15 and 11 upon 15 into pi 1 upon 15 and 4 pi upon 15, so that it will get cancelled. Okay, so we will use that trick only. So I am writing this term as it is, this term also as it is. Okay, now 14 upon 15 can be written as sin pi minus pi upon 15. Okay, so pi minus pi upon 15 means pi, if you take cross multiplication, so 15 pi minus pi is 14 upon 15. Okay, similarly I'll convert this as pi minus 4 pi upon 15. Okay, so here also if you take 15 into pi, 15 pi minus 4 pi, that is 11 pi divided by 15. Okay, now we will use the formula for the allied angle. Sin pi minus anything, sin pi minus theta is sin theta only. So here first term as it is, second term as it is. Now sin pi minus theta is sin theta only, so this is sin pi upon 15, and here also same sin 4 pi upon 15. What we are using? We are using sin pi minus theta is equals to sin theta. You should give a reason. Okay, whatever you are using in your calculation, you should mention that reason in the margin. Okay. Now sin pi upon 15 minus sin upon 15. Sin pi upon 15 will get cancelled. This and this will get cancelled and you will left with 0. Okay, so this is very simple problem, can come for 2 marks. Now the second one, I'll solve second one also on the board, and the third and the fourth are for your homework. Okay, so the second problem is, it is on page number 42. Sine square pi upon 4 minus x plus sine square pi upon 4 plus x is equals to 1. Okay, so here see, we can apply the allied angles for the only sine terms, right? Here sine square is there and here also sine square is there, right? And we have to show this is equals to 1. So we will start with LHS. Sine square pi upon 4 minus x plus sine square pi upon 4 plus x. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll substitute this term as any other variable, that is y. Okay, so put pi upon 4 minus x as equals to 1, right? Now from here you can find out the value of x. So from here the x will be what? Pi upon 4 minus y, right? If you interchange x and y, so you will get this. Now substitute in above, you will get sine square, this term will be y plus here it will be sine square pi upon 4 as it is plus pi upon 4. Instead of x, I'll substitute pi upon 4 minus 1. Okay. Now sine square y as it is. Here it is pi upon 4 plus pi upon 4. 2 pi upon 4. 2 pi upon 4 means what? Pi upon 2, right? So this is pi upon 2 minus 1. Now this become allied angle sine square pi by 2 minus theta. So sine pi by 2 minus theta is equals to cos theta. I am using this. Okay. So here it will be sine square y and here it will be sine square pi upon pi by 2 minus theta will be cos theta. But here square is there, so therefore cos square y. Theta is y here. So now sine square y plus cos square y, and we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, which is your LHS. So we have to show that this is equals to 1, hence proved. Okay, so this type of problem can come for 2 marks in your examination. Now the third and the fourth are for your homework. Okay, it is on page number 42. Just try to solve it. Now we will start exercise 3.2. Okay, so the first problem in exercise 3.2, page number 42. Page 42, exercise 3.2, problem number 1. In that the first sub problem. Problem question number 1, there are total 10 sub question. Okay, so we will solve 2 or 3 out of them and the rest all will be for your homework. Okay. So the first one is sine 690 degree. The question is find the values of the following. Okay, so the first is sine 690 degree. We know that whenever we got some angle, okay, like this 690, 700, like that, what we'll do, I'll split this angle into multiple of 2 pi. Okay, so that I can apply the formulas for the aligned angle. तो हम लोग इसे subtraction और addition का use करके I'll convert this angle into multiple of pi. Okay. Now pi by 2 anything will work. So here the 690 can be written as 720 minus 30 degree. Yes, we have solved this type of problem in previous class. So here 690 can be written as 720 minus 30. It is equals to 690. 720 is of course multiple of 2 pi. Right? So this is sine 2 into 360 minus 30 degree. Okay? So this is sine. Now here multiple of 2 pi. So we know that sine multiple of pi minus theta. This is 2 pi and this is 2 into 2 pi. So we know that multiple, if it is multiple of 2 pi minus theta, so the answer will be minus sine theta. Answer is minus sine theta. So sine of this term is equals to minus sine of this. Here theta is 30 angle. So this is minus sine 30 degree. Now what is sine 30? It is half. So your value for this angle is equals to half. Okay. It seems very difficult. Okay. It looks very difficult. Sine 690. How you will calculate? Once you start. Okay. Once you start reducing this or to converting this into addition or subtraction, automatically you will going to get the answer. See. Sine 2 into 360 minus 30, that is sine 30. Since I am using allied angle formula. So it can come in MCQs. The value of sine 690 is half, minus half, 1, 0, anything. Okay. Can come for only 1 mark. Now the next problem is problem number 2, which is sine 495. Okay. Sine 495 degree. Again we will convert this 495 into addition or subtraction of multiple of pi, anything. So this is sine, I am writing this 495 as 360 plus 135. Okay, which is sine 360 means 2 pi plus 135. Okay. Now here also I'll use the sine 2 pi. See, in the previous one it was sine 4 pi. Okay. Yes, sine 4 minus theta. Sine 4 pi minus theta. So it was minus sine theta. Now here we have sine 2 pi plus 135. Okay. That is sine 2 pi plus theta, which is equals to, the answer is equals to cos theta. Sine 2 pi plus theta. वहाँ पे minus था, that's why it was minus sine theta, and here plus is there, so sine 2 pi plus theta is cos theta. Right? So here it is cos 135. Theta is 135. Now again we don't have value of cos at 135 angle. So what we'll do, we'll split this. So this will become cos 90 plus 45. Cos 90 plus 45. Okay. So cos pi plus theta is equals to cos theta. Cos pi plus theta is equals to cos theta. So this is equals to cos 45 degree, which is equals to 1 upon 2. Here theta is what? 45 degree. Okay. If you don't know what is the formula of cos 90 plus 45, just split it. Cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B. You will get the answer 1 upon root 2. Okay. So there are total 10 sub questions of this type. Okay. That we are not going to solve here. Just go through it. They are very simple. Try to convert the given angle into addition or subtraction of two angles. Out of 2, one should be multiple of 2 pi, okay, or multiple of pi, anything. And try to use formula for the allied angles. Now I'll solve question number 2. Now in question number 2, again there are 6 sub questions where we have to prove the following equations. So some problems are given, we have to prove that equations. So the first one is prove that cos pi plus x, okay, into cos minus x divided by sin pi minus x and cos pi by 2 plus x is equals to cot square x. See, to solve these type of problem, you should know the formulas of allied angle. Without that, you cannot solve this problem. Okay? They may be it can be solved by splitting the formula of cos a plus b, cos a minus b, but that will be very time consuming. Okay? So for 2 or 3 steps में अगर तुम्हें आंसर लाना है अपने ये क्वेश्चंस का, so you should learn the formulas for the allied angles. Okay? Now we'll start with, we have to show this LHS is equals to RHS. Now you can see in each term you have to use the formula for the allied angle. Okay, so LHS is equals to cos pi plus x into cos minus x divided by sin pi minus x into cos pi by 2 plus x. Okay, now cos pi plus x, so just go and check out what is the formula for the cos pi plus x. It is minus cos x. Now cos of minus theta, cos of minus theta is always cos theta. Sin absorb हो जाती है cos में. Okay, so here it is cos x only. Now the next is sin pi minus x, it is sin x only. And cos pi by 2 plus x, it is minus sin x. Okay, so here we have used all the allied angle formulas. So now this minus and this minus will become plus. Now this cos and this cos is cos square x upon sin square x. Now cos upon sin is what? Cot, and square is there, therefore cot square x. Okay, hence proof. This is your RHS. Now the next question is question number 2 is cos 3 pi upon 2 plus x into cos 2 pi plus x into cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x is equals to 1. We have to show this is equals to 1. Okay, so we'll start with LHS. So 3 terms are in product, cos 3 pi by 2 plus x, cos 2 pi plus x and cot 3 pi by 2 minus x are in product, and the next one is in addition plus cot 2 pi plus x. Okay, so we'll start with LHS. It is equals to cos 3 pi by 2 plus x into cos 2 pi plus x into cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x. Okay, now the value of cos 3 pi by 2 plus x is sin x. You can check this, okay, into formulas. So the cos 3 pi by 2 plus x is sin x. Okay, now cos 2 pi plus x, इसका वैल्यू अभी हमने देखा था वो कितना होता है, cos x ही रहता है. Cos 2 pi by plus x is cos x only. Okay, now the next is what? Cot 3 pi by 2 minus x. So cot का वैल्यू चेंज होके tan x आ जाता है. Cot will change into tan x if 3 pi by 2 is there. Okay, जब कभी भी 3 pi by 2 वाला एंगल होगा, cos का sin हो जाएगा, sin का cos हो जाएगा, cot का tan हो जाएगा, tan का cot हो जाएगा. Okay, whenever cos 2 pi and plus sign is there, then cos x ही रहता है. So here it is tan x, and the last one is plus cot. What is the last one? It is cot 2 pi plus x. Yes, so that will be cot x only. Isn't it enough? Okay, sorry, we have made one mistake. So this term is in plus only. The entire term is in plus. Two terms are in multiplication and the last two terms are in addition. So here there should be a bracket. Here to here. Here also there will be bracket. Sin x. Answer of this is sin x. Answer of this is cos x. Now cot of 3 pi by 2 minus x is tan x, and cot of 2 pi by plus x is cot x only. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll multiply this term inside. Okay. Before multiplication, I'll write this tan x and cot x in terms of sin and cos. So here it will be sin x into cos x. Now tan x is sin x upon cos x plus cot x is cos x upon sin x. Okay. Now multiply this term inside. I'll get, if I multiply this term to the first term, so this cos and cos will get cancelled. Okay. And you will left with sin and sin, which is sin square x. If I multiply this term to the second term, then sin and sin will get cancelled and you will left with cos and cos square. Okay. So the answer is sin square x plus cos square x, which is equals to 1, which is your RHS. Okay. Now we'll do problem number 3rd and 4th are for your homework. Okay. They are just like first and second. Now we will solve problem number 5th. Okay. Of exercise 3.2. Now the problem number 5th question is, prove that sine cube of pi plus x, then sec square of pi minus x, then tan of 2 pi minus x divided by cos square pi upon 2 plus x sin pi minus x cosec square minus x is equals to tan cube x. So we have to show this is equals to tan cube of x. So we'll start with LHS. So your LHS is equals to okay. Now here we will use first formula of sin pi plus x. Okay. So sin pi plus x is minus sin x. So it will be minus sin x, and since cube is there, so I'll get cube over here. Okay. Now the next is sec square pi minus x. So answer of this is minus sec x. Then the third term is tan 2 pi minus x. So answer of that is tan x only, divided by cos square pi by 2 plus x is, pi by 2 plus x is minus sin x, and since square is there, so I'll put square. Then sin pi minus x is sin x only, and cos square minus of x will be, it will be minus will come out, cos square minus x will be minus cos x. Okay. Now here minus cube. So minus into minus into minus is minus. So 3 times minus करेंगे तो it will be minus only. Okay. So this is minus sine cube x. This minus and this minus will become plus. This is sec x into tan x divided by this is sine square x. See, this sine and this sine is sine cube x, right? This sine and this sine, and here we have minus, one minus is left. Yes. Here also we have minus sign, right? So it should be plus. Okay, we'll see. So here it is sine x square. See, here sec of pi minus x is there and we have written only minus sine x. We skip this square sign, so we'll put that. We have made one mistake. Okay, so here minus square is there. So this minus and square will gone. This sign will gone. So it here it is sec square x. Sec square x. Okay, and the minus sign is also left of cube. Okay, minus 1 of cube is minus 1. Here it is plus sign. Here it is sin x. And here it is minus. So this minus I am giving out of cosec x. Now you can see this minus and this minus will cancel. Sin cube x, sin square and sin will get cancelled. So I am left with sec square x into tan x divided by cosec x. Okay. Now sec square x can be written as, see, sec square means 1 upon cos. So here it is 1 upon cos square x. Now tan x can be written as sin x upon cos x, and this cosec can be written as 1 upon cosec is there, so that will be sin x. Yes, so here cos square is there, and here also it should be cos because we want tan cube. Now just check me out. This is sin cube, this is sec square, this is tan x. Okay, now the next is sin x square, then sin x, and this is cosec square. Here also we did the mistake. Okay, so this is also cosec square. Now this is cosec square. So this is 1 upon cosec square will be sin square x. Now you can see sin and sin square x is equals to sin cube x. Similarly cos square x and cos is equals to cos cube x. So the answer sin upon cos is tan cube x, which is your RHS. Okay, so this is about the exercise 3.2. The remaining problems you do at home. Okay, now we will start the new topic, that is trigonometric functions of multiple angles. Okay, for that trigonometric functions of multiple angles. Multiple angles means, see, if you have like this sin theta, okay, then if you have sin 4 theta, sin 3 theta, sin 2 theta, okay, then theta, 2 theta, 3 theta are called multiple angles. Okay, and if you have like this sin theta upon 2, then 3 theta upon 2, then they are called sub multiple angles. Here they are called multiple angles and here they are called submultiples angle. Now we are going to see the values of a trigonometric functions, the different formulas for the multiple angles and the submultiple angles. Sin 2 theta, sin 3 theta, cos 2 theta, right? So we will find out the formula for that. So the first is trigonometric functions of double angles, means 2 theta के लिए formulas we will see. Trigonometric function of double angles. Okay, that is 2 theta. So the formulas, first theorem is for any angle theta, for it is on page number 43. For any angle theta, okay, first point, sin 2 theta is equals to 2 sin theta cos theta, which is equals to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. Similarly, we have formula for cos 2 theta, tan 2 theta. But in today's class, we will only see the formulas of sin 2 theta. So there are two formulas for sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta and 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. That we will see. हम लोग देखेंगे कि ये formulas कैसे होते हैं. Okay, we will derive this formula. We will prove this formula. Sin 2 theta is equals to 2 sin theta cos theta and 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. So first sin 2 theta. So 2 theta can be written as theta plus theta, isn't it? Now we have formula for sin A plus B, sin A cos B, cos A sin B, but here A and B both are same. So here it is sin theta cos theta plus cos theta sin theta. So both are the same, sin theta cos theta, sin theta cos theta. So this is 2 times sin theta and cos theta. यही हमें प्रूफ करना था ना. फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay. So the first formula is done. Okay. Now we will prove the second formula, which is sin 2 theta is 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. We will prove that formula with the help of this first one. So just now we have got sin 2 theta is equals to 2 sin theta cos theta, right? Now this can be written as 2 sin theta cos theta. अभी यहाँ डिवीजन में कुछ नहीं है, इसका मतलब मैं यहाँ पे 1 लिख सकती हूँ. I can write 1 into division in denominator, right? So this one can be written as, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is equals to 1 होता है, right? So I have placed 1 in the denominator and 1 की जगह मैंने क्या लिखा, sin square theta divided by cos square theta. Now what we want in denominator, हमें tan चाहिए, right? In numerator as well as in denominator we want tan. So what I'll do, I'll divide this term and this term by cos theta. So sin theta upon cos theta कर दूंगी मैं, तो यहाँ पे मुझे cos square tan मिल जाएगा, right? So I'll divide, multiply and divide by cos square theta, or you can say divide numerator and denominator, divide numerator and denominator by cos square theta. Okay, by cos square theta. So I'll get 2 sin theta cos theta divided by cos square theta whole divided by sin square plus cos square theta divided by cos square theta. Okay, till here it is clear. Now this cos and this cos will get cancelled and you will left with, see, this cos and one cos is get cancelled. You will left with sin upon cos, which is equals to tan. Okay, we can directly write down sin upon cos is tan theta, Now here split this denominator to here, so sin square theta upon cos square theta is what? It is tan square theta. And if you give this cos square theta to here, so this cos and this cos will get cancelled and your answer is plus 1. So this is what we have to prove. This is your RHS. Okay. So there are two formulas for the sine 2 theta, which is equals to, so the sine 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta, and this is also equals to 2 times tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. Now there is 2 or 3 formulas for the cos 2 theta, and there is one formula for tan 2 theta. So we'll see the formula for cos 2 theta. Sine is done. Now the formulas for the cos 2 theta is, first is cos square theta minus sin square theta. The second formula is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay. The third formula is 1 minus 2 sin square theta, and the fourth one is 1 minus tan square theta 1 plus tan square theta. So there are 4 formulas for cos 2 theta. The first one is cos square theta minus sin square theta, 2 cos square theta minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square theta, 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So we will solve this one by one. I am writing this here. Okay. The first formula is cos square theta minus sin square theta. The second one is 2 cos square theta minus 1. The third one is 1 minus 2 sin square theta, 1 minus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta. So we will prove one by one. Okay. So cos theta से 2 theta से start करेंगे. Theta plus theta. So theta plus theta, cos A plus B वाला formula. So this is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So here A and B both are same, theta. So cos theta it is cos square theta. Sin theta it is sin square theta. हो गया first वाला. It is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Now here cos square theta is there, sin square theta is there. We know that sin theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Okay, so from here we can find out the value of sin square theta. It is 1 minus cos square theta. तो हम लोग यही इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. cos square theta as it is, sin square theta को we will write down. This is as 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, so just give this reason in the margin what you are using. So this cos square theta and this minus plus cos square theta plus cos square theta is 2 cos square theta, and this is minus 1. ये हो गया तुम्हारा सेकेंड वाला प्रॉब्लम. ओके. नाउ वी विल, जैसे अभी हम लोग यहाँ पे साइन की वैल्यू पुट किया था यहाँ से, वैसे ही हम लोग यहाँ से कॉस की वैल्यू भी निकाल सकते हैं. कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा क्या हो जाता है 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा. सो वी विल यूज दैट ओनली. सो हियर इंस्टेड ऑफ कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा जस्ट पुट 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा. सो 2 टाइम्स कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा में क्या पुट करेंगे हम लोग 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा minus 1. Okay. See, this one is your second formula. Now I have put cos square theta as 1 minus sin square theta. Now this is 2 minus 2 times sin square theta minus 1. Now this 2 and this minus 1 will be 1 minus 2 times sin square theta. हो गया थर्ड वाला. This is your third one. Okay. So this is the 3 formulas for the cos 2 theta. Now I'll solve the last one formula. Now for the last one, I'll use the first formula. Cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, and we will use the same trick which we have used for the sin 2 theta. तो first हम लोग क्या करेंगे इसको, this can be written as divided by 1. Okay, 1 के जगह पे क्या लिखेंगे हम लोग, same trick that I will use. 1 can be written as sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now same multiply and divide by cos square theta. So here you will get this is cos theta minus sin square theta divided by cos square theta whole divided by sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by cos square theta. Okay, now if you give this cos square theta here, so this and this will get cancelled, you will be left with minus 1, 1 minus, and here it will be sin upon cos is tan square theta. Okay, similarly here sin upon cos is tan square theta, and this will get cancelled, you will left with plus. So this is your fourth formula. Okay, so these are 4 formulas for cos 2 theta.